How do auto insurance minimums change if I move to a new state? Imagine packing your bags and moving to a new place. You might think your insurance stays the same, but in reality, your coverage needs to change with your new address. When you relocate to a different state, the rules for car insurance also change. Each state sets its own minimum requirements for coverage, and these can be quite different from what you're used to. Auto insurance minimums are the smallest amounts of coverage you must carry to legally drive in that state. These rules are made by each state's Department of Insurance, not the federal government. So, moving from one state to another can mean you need more coverage, less, or different types altogether. Most states requiring liability insurance. This type of insurance covers injuries or damage you cause to others in a crash. The minimum amounts for bodily injury liability and property damage liability vary widely. For example, one state might requiring $15,000 per person for bodily injury, while another might ask for $25,000. Some states also requiring uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if you're hit by someone who doesn't have enough insurance. About half of the states make this coverage mandatory, but some allow you to decline it if you sign a waiver. A few states also requiring personal injury protection, or PIP. PIP helps pay for your medical bills and sometimes lost wages, regardless of who caused the accident. This is common in states with no-fault insurance laws. Other states might offer PIP as an option but don't requiring it. Only one state, Maine, requires medical payments coverage, which is similar to PIP but covers fewer expenses. No state makes comprehensive or collision coverage mandatory. These cover damages to your own vehicle from theft, fire, or crashes. They are optional in most cases. However, if you have a loan or lease on your car, the lender might requiring you to carry these coverages. When you move, it's important to check your new state's requirements right away. You can find this info on your state's Department of Insurance website. Compare these rules with your current policy. If your current coverage meets or exceeds the new state's minimums, you might not need to change anything immediately. Still, you should notify your insurance company of your new address. If your current policy doesn't meet the new state's minimums, you must update your coverage before registering your car there. If your new state requires PIP or uninsured motorist coverage and your current policy doesn't include it, you'll need to add those. Moving from a state with higher minimums to one with lower minimums means you can keep your current coverage if you prefer, but you're not obligated to. Remember, moving can also affect your insurance rates. Rates are based on where you live, so urban areas often have higher premiums than rural areas. Some states are generally more expensive to insure cars in than others. When you're planning a move, contact your insurance provider ahead of time. Tell them your new address and ask if your current policy covers the new state's requirements. If not, find out what changes are needed. Shopping around can also help you find better rates or companies that serve your new community well. Always keep proof of insurance with you when registering your car in the new state. For Black communities, understanding these rules helps avoid unexpected costs or legal issues. Knowing your rights and options means you can choose the right coverage and avoid being underinsured. Supporting Black-owned insurance agencies or agents who understand your community's needs can also be a smart move. In the end, auto insurance minimums change based on where you live. When you move, check the new rules, update your coverage if needed, and make sure you and your family are protected. Staying informed helps you stay legal, safe, and financially secure on the road.